Welcome viewers and dear learners to my channel Learning English with Amol. This video is about direct indirect speech. In the last 3 videos we learned about how we can convert an assertive sentence or an interrogative sentence wherein verbal question or WH question into indirect speech. This video is specifically highlighting the type of sentence that is imperative, wherein it may be an affirmative or negative one. How we can convert it into indirect speech? Let us see with few examples. Dear students, here are some examples of imperative sentences. As you all know that any imperative sentence starts with an action verb, or if it is in a requesting tone, it may have a word like please at the foremost place and afterwards an action verb, or if any warning is there wherein one is not expected to do any certain action, that time word like don't is put at the first place and afterwards the action verb. So here is the first example. The astrologer said to Guru Nanak, rub it on your forehead and go home. So it is started with the action verb rub, rubbing. So it is in its first form, rub it on your forehead and go home. Actually there are 2 imperative instructions and it is joined with and, but we have to treat it as an entire sentence and how we can convert it into indirect one. As we know that reporting verb is said to, and the speaker, an astrologer or the astrologer, and the person who is listening or to whom it is addressed is Guru Nanak. So the first change will be here. The astrologer said to is converted into suggested, because we know that in most of the cases the imperation is with a sort of suggestion or an advice. That's why said to is converted into suggested. The astrologer suggested Guru Nanak, and in the earlier type of examples of an assertive or interrogative, wherein we had the conjunctions like that or if or that WH word, but for imperative sentences we have to always choose to as our connector or conjunction. So after Guru Nanak the word to is kept in the role of a conjunction. Later on, as usually, comma and inverted comma is removed, and afterwards rub it on your is converted into his forehead and to go home. So remaining part remain almost as it is except a change in your into his. Another example, the astrologer said, never travel southward again. Herein the sentence has begun with the word never, that shows the negation, and later on the word travel, which is an action verb, and southward again, so that shows the direction, and finally a full stop. So this sentence is belonging to imperative type of sentence. Now how to convert it into indirect speech? The astrologer, the word reporting verb said is converted into warn. The reason is very clear that he has given a certain warning what one has not to do. That's why said is converted into warn, and this never is converted into not to, because already we have to use to as a conjunction, and since the sentence is in negative tone, that's why in place of to, not to is kept, and already not to is satisfying the meaning of never, so the word never is not repeated therein. Later on travel, this word is kept as it is, and southward again as it is, and finally a full stop. So this is how we have converted one negative sentence there into indirect speech. The third one, he flung the coins at her and said, count them. Herein, who is a person speaking, and to whom, that is also very clear, that person, he is there, and a lady is there, that's why the word her is used there. So he flung the coins is kept as it is at her, and instead of said, ordered is used, because it was a sort of order to count them. Again the word to is used here as a connector or conjunction, and remaining part count them is kept as it is. Here are few more examples. Get busy and call a cop, said Soapy. Here the reported speech is kept at the first and afterwards reporting verb. So again the similar practice of applying Soapy suggested, the word reporting verb said is converted into suggested, and later on this action verb get is connected with to get busy and call a cop is kept as it is. Only the thing is here that comma and inverted comma is removed. Two changes we did in the sentence, that is said is replaced by suggested, and the reported speech is connected with to. Next and the last one for our today's video, Soapy said, don't keep the gentleman waiting. Herein the reported speech, the sentence has begun with the word don't. So don't shows the again negative warning or negative sort of suggestion. So let us see, an action verb is keep here. So what the person said, Soapy reporting verb said is converted into suggested, and don't is again removed and it is simplified in not to, and action verb keep is kept as it is, keep the gentleman waiting. The comma and inverted comma is removed from there, and this way we have converted the given sentences into indirect speech. My dear students, these 5 sentences are sufficient enough for you to understand the basic rules and the concept of how we can convert the sentence there into indirect speech. The important or key points which you have to highlight is that the reporting verb, may it be said or said to, that should be converted into ordered, suggested, advised, warned, like this as per the demand of the sentence. And the idea to identify the given sentence whether it is imperative or not is that the sentence won't have any subject, at least in a given way, or it would be understood, and it will always start with an action verb or word like please or don't at the beginning and rest of the words afterwards. So this is how we have to judge and convert the direct speech there into indirect one. If you like this video, please mark, like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.